This is the ROSWHEEL Offroad tool pouch. It's a 1 litre welded pack. It has a plastic seal opening with a roll top to make it fully waterproof. It uses 2 gear straps to fix it to multiple positions on the bike or to other packs that we make, such as the handlebar bag and the seat pack. It has a Hyperlon grip surface on the inside of the bag with an EVA foam padded area to stop your tools and other parts damaging the bike frame. Inside the package you'll find the tool pouch and 2 550mm gear straps. The first thing to do is to pack the bag. There's an internal pocket in there as well for smaller items. Use the plastic seal to seal the bag. This will make it watertight. Then roll the seal over twice and place each strap through the buckle on each side, like so. Take the bag and the strap and put the strap in the first hole. You can go through all of the holes or you can just go through the last hole, like so. The logo should be facing in this orientation with the top of the bag here. We're going to put this bag underneath the down tube. So the first thing to do is to place it in the position you want. Generally, take the top strap, fix it through the buckle and return it the other way, like so. You don't have to fix it tightly, just in general position. Now to clean up these strap ends, we can first make sure the bag's as tight as we want it to be. And then you can place the strap through the same slots as you did with the first. And that should tidy the straps up. You can also fit the bag in a position such as here on the mid fork. You can also fix the tool pouch onto one of the larger bags that we have, such as the seat pack, like this, because the molly system here is the same width on both bags. And the same with the handlebar bag. You can mount it on top here or below.